Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's video, we will go over how to customize Shopify email brand settings. First, we want to log into our Shopify account. Then we will go to Shopify email. From here, we will go to settings. And in settings, we will go to template branding and customize. Here, you will be able to update how your email looks. So first, we will add our logo. We will update our store name. Then we can choose a font. Then you're able to update your colors here, which if you have added your brand information, then your brand colors will automatically be added here. So you can easily add in those elements. So now we will click save. And now each email that you create out of your Shopify email will utilize the same branding. You can create other emails and other templates for your business, but this will be your go-to when you're creating your new emails.